Hello everyone, welcome back in my class of CIS3146 Embedded Systems. In this session, I am going to demonstrate you all how you can use switch case statements for making a decision. So far, we have discussed and implemented three different types of decision making statements. The first decision making statement we discussed was simple if statements. Then we used if else statements, and the third decision making statement we implemented in the last video lecture was else if later. In this session, as I said, I'm going to demonstrate to you all how you can use switch case statements. So we'll start the program. First of all, we'll include the header file, hash include std standard input output .h header file. Then main function, and main function will create the body of the main function. In this main function, I will write my program. So first of all, I will declare a variable. The name of the variable is num, and it is of integer type, so it will store an integer number. I want to specify a message on my output screen, printf, and my message which I want to specify is enter 0, 1 or 2 /n for the new line. So cursor will go in the new line on the output screen. Now I want to accept value for num, so I will specify scanf to accept any input from the user, and this input will be of integer type. So I will specify the format specifier %d, and this integer number will be stored at the address of num. So %num semicolon. Now at this stage, I will specify the switch case statement. So I will write switch and num. So for num, I'm going to specify the switch case. So this is where switch statements start here. You can put comments like this, and then I will make the body for the switch case statement case 0, and in case 0 I want to print a message printf, simple message I want to print you entered 0. That's it. /n, place the cursor in the next line. Then next case I want to specify, it is case 1, and it will print simple message you entered 1 /n, and then semicolon. Then my third message which I want to specify for case 2, and then I would like to specify a print statement printf, and this printf statement will print you entered 2 /n for placing the cursor in the next line. Now, and then as per the syntax of switch case statement, after specifying the switch cases, I will specify my default statement. So my default statement, and I will print if the number is not 0, number is not 1, number is not 2. So if this case is not true, if second case is not true, if third case is not true, if any of these cases are not true, then execute the default statement. So here I will specify my message other than 0, 1 and comma 2 /n to place the cursor in the next line, and then this switch statement is done. I will use return 0 because my main function is given here and it has a return type integer, so it will return an integer value. Let me run this program to see how it will work. So if I will enter 0, so what will happen? Press enter. It will print all, because here this program is given 3 cases, case 0, case 1, case 2. So what I need to do in order to restrict the cases, I will use break statement. Break slash. So what will happen if I will enter, let me run this program. If I will enter 0, then only this message will get printed. And you entered 0, other statement will not get printed. But if I will run this program again and I will press 1, then what will happen? Rest all statement will get executed, because here I am not breaking this case. So I will specify break for this to restrict case 1, and I will specify break to restrict this case also, and there is no need to specify break for this, because after this the switch case statement will get terminated. So in this switch case statement, you can see that I have specified 3 cases, 0, 1, 2, 3. For 0, this message will get printed, and then if this is true, then this message will get printed. Break, and the control will come out from the switch case body and return 0, and then program will get terminated. Similarly, for case 1, if the case 1 is true, then this message will get printed, and then break, control will move out from the switch case statement. Similarly for case 2, and then if none of the cases are true, then the default case will work. Now I will run the program for all 3 cases, and then I will test the program for default case. Let me run this program. 0, then this case is true, so this message should get printed. So I am getting you entered 0. Now I am running this program again, and this time I want to check case number 1. So I entered 1, and let me run this. So you entered 1. Now let me run this program again. This time I would like to check case number 3, that is case 2. So I entered 2. So you entered 2. So this case is working correctly. Now you can see that because I used break, so only the message given in the particular case is printing on the output screen. Now all 3 cases, that is case 0, case 1, case 2 is working correctly. I would like to test, now I would like to test the default case. So I am not going to enter 0, 1 or 2. Let me try some other number. Now I'm going to enter, let's say 15. So this 15, for 15 there is no case specified in the switch case statement. So what will happen? I will get this message other than 0, 1 and 2. So other than 0, 1 and 2. But if you want to see the message for case 15, so you can specify 15, then printf, and you can say the message like you entered 15 /n, and then this you can break the case. Yeah. Now if you will run this program and you will enter 15, then you will get this message. Let me try this program. Now 15, and for 15 I have specified the case, so I will get this message on my output screen. So I hope this switch case statement is clear now to you all. Now we will discuss the new program, and the new program is for the looping statement. So let me remove this switch case statement from here, and we'll see the first loop which we discussed, and it is for, now we will discuss the program. We will implement the program for while loop. So I'm going to use the same header file, the same main function, and here I will specify int t is equal to 1. So this is my start point for the loop, while, and I am specifying the condition t is less than or equal to 10. Then I will create the body for the loop. In here I will specify print statement, percent double quote t is equal to %d /n, because I want to display the output line by line, and I want to display the value of t, then this, and then control variable. So this is my starting point of the loop, this is the condition, and this is the control variable. So if you remember, I clearly mentioned that if you are going to apply a loop, while loop, for loop, or do while loop, you need to specify 3 things. That is the starting point from where the loop will start, the condition, and how you will move in iteration. So this is a control variable. Now to see the output, what this program will do, this program will print 10 numbers starting from 1 to 10. Let me run this program. Now let me run this. Yeah, so here you can see starting from 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 till 10, because till the value of t is less than or equal to 10, the loop will work, this loop will run. When the value of t is higher than 10, then that is after 10th iteration, the value will be 10 plus 1. This statement will make the value 10 plus 1 after iteration number 10. So the value of t will be 11. So 11 less than or equal to 10 is not true. So this loop will not work, and then the program will get terminated. So you got this output. If you are making this condition like 100, then you will get 100 values. See, starting from 1 to 100. So now you can see, by using loop, you can repeat any specific statement. So here in this program, we are repeating this statement again and again, so that we can print the value of t up to a specific number of times according to this condition. That's all in this lecture. In the next video lecture, I will explain other type of loop, that is for loop and do while loop. Thank you very much.